Now The cow tried dancing on the hay. She mooed, "I'm fancy," all the way. She twirled and spun till she got dizzy, then said, "Next time I'll take it easy." A pig took selfies in the pen with muddy snows again and again. She smiled so wide, oh what a sight. Her tail curled tighter from pure delight. A sheep wore socks on every hoof and jumped so high she hit the roof. She bared, "I'm fashion, full of flair, with polka dots here and stripes to spare." Even the pike. Old Farmer Fred had a giggly fob, kick a hole and a hee-hee-hey. Every critter caused some charm, with a moo and a neigh all day. A duck wore goggles in the rain and zoomed through puddles like a train. She quacked, "I'm racing, watch me go." She splashed the horse from head to toe. The horse played soccer with the ball. He kicked so hard it hit the wall. He neighed, "Goal," and took a bow. The sheep cheered loud, "You win for now." A goat played tag upon a log and tripped right over a sleepy frog. He bladed, "Oops," then laughed so loud he startled the chickens, quite a crowd. The cat tried milking the old brown cow, but spilled the bucket, oh and how. The cow said kindly, "Nice try, dear," then licked the milk right off her ear. Old Farmer Fred had a giggly farm, ha-ha-ho and a hee-hee-hey. Every critter caused some charm, with a moo and a neigh all day. A dog played drums with sticks and pans. He barked in rhythm, clapped his hands. The hens joined in with cluck-cluck beat, and everyone danced on happy feet. A bunny bounced through farmers' boots while munching lettuce and fresh fruits. He wiggled his nose and twitched his ear, then whispered, "Carrots grow right here." A donkey told a funny joke, so silly that the rooster choked. They laughed so hard they rolled in hay and giggled all the livelong day. The turkey tried to learn ballet, but tripped on feathers, oh dismay. She twirled once more with fancy flair, then curtsied proud with hay in hair. A mouse built castles made of cheese. He ruled the kingdom with great ease. He squeaked, "I'm king, bow down to me." The sheep all laughed, "What royalty!" Farmer Fard looked all around at happy beasts that danced and clowned. He grinned so wide his heart was warm and sang, "What a joy to have this farm."